We all download many things from the internet, but today I will show you how to make money online from downloads. And the best part is, it works all over the world, and it works both for phones and computers. It doesn't matter where you're coming from, whether it's India, Philippines, United States, Nigeria, or other countries. It doesn't matter because, as you can see, all these people worldwide are making money every couple of minutes, and they are cashing out every 24 hours. In today's video, I will show you how to make money from downloading, which is a great strategy to make money online. Here you can see recent payment proof, and the cool thing is that you don't need any PayPal account to withdraw your money. This website will pay you via PayPal, Perfect Money, WebMoney, Skrill, Nettler, Payoneer, Payeer, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. so you can work all over the world. So if you get value from this video, consider subscribing with a notification bell. You don't need any money for it. It's 100% free. That way, YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new and fresh video so that you can make more money than others. And comment below what country you are in right now. I want to know, because in that way, I will know exactly where you're from. So in the future, I will be able to create videos according to your region. So drop your country's name in the comments down below and make sure you watch every second of this video, because if you skip or leave early, you'll miss some essential steps that will show you exactly how to do this method. And if you stay until the end of this video, I will also show you a bonus that can make you even more money online. Now let's get started. First of all, go to this website. They have the highest profit rates for your downloads. Start profit now and you can withdraw your money when you reach only $1, so you don't need to wait for $50 or $100 to withdraw. If your downloads come from the United States or Canada, you will get $7. If your downloads come from Australia, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates, you will get $4. And if your downloads come from other countries, you will get $3 for 1,000 downloads. Here you can see recent payment proof. You can see dates, username, amount, and payment method. And all these people come from different countries. So it's not only for top-tier countries like the United States, Canada, and Australia. It doesn't matter where you're coming from. They accept people worldwide. All you need is a Wi-Fi or internet connection to make this work. This method is free, so you will not have to invest any money. And it doesn't require any previous experience because I'm going to show you step by step how to do it properly. This website is called uploadforever.com, but don't go over to this website directly because you may lose your valuable time. So follow the steps from this tutorial and save your valuable time and make more money. Now come up here and click the sign up button right here. Once you click on it, you will land on this page. Simply enter your username, type a strong password, retype your password, type your email, select your payment method, then solve this "I am not a robot" box and click the sign up button right here. When you log into your account, it will look like this. Here you can track your balance, free storage, and your referrals. You can upload your downloaded file from here. Now go to this website, which is called pixabay.com. This is a website where you can download over 2 million plus high-quality stock images, videos, and music shared by their talented community. Those files are copyright-free, so don't worry about copyright issues. Now search wallpaper here, and you will get a bunch of different wallpaper to download. Simply click on any wallpaper, then click on this free download button here. You can see this wallpaper is free for commercial use, and no attribution is required so that you can use it without any hassle. After downloading this wallpaper, go back to this website and upload it. After finishing the upload, you will get a download link to this wallpaper. I said before that you're being paid for each download. You will get paid if people click the link and download this wallpaper. The more downloads you get, the more money you will earn. Here you can see on this keyword research tool, over millions of people search for good wallpaper on the internet for their phones or computers. So that you can see there is a huge demand for good wallpaper. So what you can do to maximize your results is not only upload that wallpaper on this website, but also you can share your link with other people. You can share this wallpaper on Facebook. You can share it with friends, family, or random people on the internet. You can also share it on Instagram or other social media. Simply copy this link and go to facebook.com. After that, join some wallpaper-related groups and paste your link, because here you can get more targeted people. Now I will show you some bonus websites to maximize your earnings. But before we start, give us a like and subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Also hit the bell icon to ensure you won't miss any of my future videos on making money online. Now let's get started. Now go to this website called Herculist.com. For almost 20 years, Herculist has offered affordable internet marketing solutions to thousands of their members. Herculist sprung off their original site and one of the first email marketing lists created in 1998. Herculist has since been a favorite of internet marketers worldwide. They are now proud to launch Herculist Plus, which offers as great features as the original Herculist, but includes many new game-changing features and improvements. As a Herculist member, you will be able to advertise your legal, non-porn material-related website, system, program, product, or service to a targeted audience of thousands of real people. Through their integrated email opt-in list, the Zone site surfing and Here blurb systems, Herculist Plus takes email and internet marketing to the next level. They will allow you to advertise to thousands of people daily for free. So they will provide you with an email list in which you can advertise any offer that you prefer for absolutely free. They will give you a $5 sign-up bonus when you create an account. The cool thing is that this is coming from 100% real traffic and a real network of real people. This is perfect because we won't be able to target a specific type of person. So obviously, if you like running Facebook ads or Google ads, you would be able to customize the preferences of your ideal clicks, and then you would be able to target a specific type of person. But because this offer has such a mass appeal, anyone can enter their email address to become a qualified lead for a gift card. So we can easily advertise to thousands of people no matter what they're interested in, no matter what the niche they're in, and that's why it works so well for this strategy. Now click on this button right here. Once you do that, you will land on this page. Now all you have to do is create your account by entering your first and last name. You can leave this box blank. You will create a username for your account, then create a password and enter the subscription email. So the email address where you're okay with receiving thousands of emails. So enter some email address that you're not actively using in this subscription box, and then enter your main email address in this box right here, because this one will be used for receiving lots of emails. And once you're done with that, you want to read their terms of service and you want to click this box if you agree with it. Then click on I'm not a robot, fill out the CAPTCHA, and click Create Account button right here. Once you've registered, you will be able to submit one email every single day to 1,000 people, so that it will be distributed to 1,000 people every single day. So every single day you can submit one email, and that's 30,000 emails per month. Now you can imagine your earning potential. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos.